Hi there, this is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Kent Island. Today I'm going to show you a little bit more about our brokerage 2022 Cruisers Yachts 54 Cantius, excuse me. She's got less than 300 hours on her Volvo IPS 950s, that is the larger engines. But I'm starting out here on the swim platform. Obviously the previous owner had a jet ski back here. It's very well suited, lots of room. My favorite thing about the Cantius is the steps that follow down along. All right, so whether or not you're launching your jet ski or whether or not you just want to put your beach chairs in the water and sit, your steps are right here. This is just the beginning. Come on aboard, I want to show you the rest. So we've got a wonderful cockpit back here. This boat is originally optioned as a static table. Back here in the cockpit, we did upgrade this to a high-low, and she does have a cushion as well. I've got fantastic bar space here. Opening to the galley, I've got to point out, we went ahead and mirror coated, all right, all of the windows up through the salon for privacy. Now, 54 Cantius is easy for two people. All right, I've got my helm station on the starboard side. What I really love is my aft docking station. All right, so these are designed as owner-operator boats. So whether you're coming in on starboard, you're coming in port, if you've got another person, it's so simple. If it's just you, you can still work it out. By the way, this is of course DPS equipped. So we've got a nice big sunshade here, but it's so nice and I enjoy the sun. I'm going to leave that in, but I'm going to point out the aft camera. It's one of two cameras. We do have a aft camera and we do have a bow camera on here as well. But I want to show you the inside, so come on. So now we're in the galley area. The reason that they actually opted for this versus the 50, all right, aside from having the cooktop and you've got the grill out there and the two sinks here, but additional refrigeration plus the dishwasher. All right, if you ever spend a lot of time on board and you're not a fan of constantly going through paper products, having a dishwasher, you may still wash in here, but now all of your storage is right there. It's a fantastic way to make the most of a live-aboard situation. So nice big galley area here, of course, connects back with the cockpit. You've got great seating here as well as your dining area as well. So both side windows open up. And of course, that makes things a lot easier when you're talking to somebody, whether they're on the dock or on the gunnels, getting your lines ready for you. My favorite place, of course, is the helm. Okay, so great visibility. Of course, I'd take the lounges down first, but fantastic visibility. I do have a step-up platform here. Like I said, I've got a bow camera. If I'm looking out in our area, it's crab traps. Seakeeper display is right here. All right, all of my controls are right there where I want them, and most importantly, they're exactly where I want them if I'm facing backwards as well. All right, so great helm setup. My VHF, everything is ready to go. So we've come into the boat. We've shown you around. We went out on a little cruise. Let me show you where we're going to be staying. Ready? So obviously, this is more than just a day boat, and we're going to want to bring the family out, maybe some friends too. We're going to spend the weekend, maybe even longer. So we've got a nice big third stateroom here. All right, so plenty of room for extra guests. Your VIP on this is forward, and one of the things that I really like about it, and I'm going to go ahead and open these and step out of the way, is for those of you that remember some of the older Sundancers, she does have a separate shower from the day head, which makes getting two people ready in the morning a lot easier. So now your guests are really impressed about the boat that you invited them on. All right, but this boat's still built for you. Gotta have my wine cooler. You could use water, you can use anything, but having that area down here, that's a nice touch. I come into the owner's room. This is where I'm going to get my rest. I've got a nice walk-in closet here. Great access for technicians. I've got my ensuite here. I've got good headroom coming through. This is a full beam owners, all right, opening windows on both sides. Nice little nook over here for vanity or for a little workspace. And I have, of course, my washer dryer combo. So I'm gonna go ahead and call it an evening, but I'll tell you what, I'll meet you up on deck and let's watch the sunset together. So at the end of the day, after we've had our fun on the water, this is where I like to lounge. This time of day, we still have plenty of sun, so I'd probably go ahead and put out my 4 poles and my static shade. But once the sun starts setting, this is where we're gonna relax. My name's Chris Whitman. I'm with MarineMax Kent Island. Give myself or Bob Milton a call on this 2022 Cruisers Yachts 54 Cantius. She needs a forever home.